It's a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse. In the light of day or the dark of night, this stylish and powerful Eclipse will draw attention. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Rockford Fosgate sound system, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, power windows, air conditioning, automatic transmission, power convertible roof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track complements several exterior details make this car stand out, such as the chrome under-glass rear spoiler, chrome lace clear lens covered head and tail lamps, LED brake lights, and shapely exterior door handles. Mitsubishi, pursue your passion. Experience it for yourself today.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.